Hello beautiful people, hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching from. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a contact us form for your website. Must watch video for someone who needs to learn how to create a contact us form for the website. And remember that skills you're going to learn in this tutorial, they are 100% practical and profitable. Must watch video. Make sure you watch this tutorial from the start up to the end. I'm going to show you how to do a simple contact us form like this. So what we're going to do, since we're using WordPress, we're going to install a plugin called Contact Form 7. So allow me to show you the simple procedures on how to install Contact Form 7 plugin. So what you're going to do, first of all, you have to make sure that you have logged into your WordPress admin panel. So once you log into the WordPress admin panel like this, you go in the section where there is plugins. So under here, you're going to click on add new. When you click on add new, as you're seeing, you come here on search plugin. So I'm going to put there contact form 7. I need to install this plugin. So it is just searching for the plugin, and this is the plugin that we're going to install. So I'm going to click on install. Wow, when you click on install, it has installed. So after installing, you have to make sure that you activate this plugin. You go ahead and click on activate, as we're seeing. And like I told you, these things are so practical. And trust me, when you follow my tutorial step by step, you're going to create a nice and appealing form. So once you have activated your plugin, on your right here, you're going to have a section of contact. This is a new section, contact. So you're going to click on contact forms. When you click on contact forms, by default, we have gotten a contact form. So if in case I want, I can decide to use this contact form. So let me click on edit. When I click on edit, you're seeing here that the fields I have for your name, the email, subject, message, and submit. So if that's the case, then I have to configure the email where this message has to be going. So under here, you have to do what? You have to click on the tab for mail, and under here, mail, you're going to configure the email address. Well, so after creating a form, you have to go ahead and configure the site email address. Well, once you have selected the fields that you're going to use, and since this is the basic example, we're going to use these simple fields: the name, the email, subject, message, and the submit button. So after deciding on the fields that you're going to use, you have to go ahead and configure the section for the email, for the mail. And in this section for the mail, you have to make sure that you configure the email address where you want your messages to be linked to. So for this case, I want them to be linked to the email address of info@bigsoConsult.com. So once you feed in that email info from info, then you have to go ahead here, you click on this option of use HTML content type, then you're going to click on save. So that is the basic configuration that it's required. So after configuring this, you're going to copy this shortcode. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go to my website. This is my website. This is how the website is looking like. So the website is loading. When I try to click on the contact us page, as you're seeing, this is my contact us page. I don't have a contact us form. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to edit this page with Elementor. So you click on edit with Elementor. So it is loading. So once it has loaded, this is the page layout. On this side, it has the contact information, and let me try to stretch. When try to stretch here, I have my contact information. So I need to put here my contact us form. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write here. I go to this side of elements, then I get the element for shortcode. I just drag it here. Once I drag it, I go back to my the section of contact form. I'm going to copy this shortcode. Then I come back to this section of Elementor. Then I paste there I paste there the code. And you're seeing, once you paste there the code, you're going to see a form appearing. Wow, this is just amazing. It is just amazing. It is just amazing. So when you after pasting there the code, shortcode, you go ahead and click on what? On save. When you when you publish and you try to check it out, let me type in my website. It is 𝗙𝗵𝘁. So when I try to click on the contact us form, oh my God, you're going to see that we already have a contact us a contact us form. So if you feel that the fields you have, they're okay with you, then you can go ahead and and stick with those. So you may want to add on your side here the Google map. So what you're going to do, still you go back to your editor, the Elementor. So here you're going to come to this section. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add a new element. So I'm going to add a container just below my contact information. And once I add the container, I have to add there another element for map. So up here, when you write Google Map, it's going to display the Google Map. Then when you paste the Google Map, it's going to do what? It's going to automatically appear. So the location that is currently in, it is London, but I want it to display Juba. So what you're going to do, you simply go to your Google search and you put in Juba, South Sudan, Google map coordinates. Then you press enter. Once you press enter, it's going to give you this search. So under here, what you will do, where is Juba located? So these are the coordinates. So when I try to copy this and I go back here, I paste them there. You're going to see that it is displaying Juba, South Sudan. And when I try to publish this and I go to my website, you're going to see that we're having now the Google map for South Sudan. It is also added to our contact us page. So guys, that's how you're able to design a contact us form and also add a Google map in your website. So when I try to use a different browser, let me try to use Microsoft Edge. As you're seeing, this is a new browser. So when I try to put in 𝗙𝗶𝗁𝗄 I press enter. And when I try to go to the contact us page, you're going to see that the form is appearing and also the Google map. And also out there, you can try to check out this website and tell me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and hope this tutorial you have gotten something. Don't forget to share it with a friend such that he also learns how to create a contact us form. Thank you so much for watching.